Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change DNS server in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Very simple way. You just need to come over into your search option over here and going to search for network connection. You can see here is our network connection. You just need to click on and then you will get an option which one you are using. My computer is using with Ethernet, that's why I'm selecting Ethernet. Click on the right mouse button and go for properties. Then you will get an option over here called Ethernet properties. You just need to select this Internet Protocol version 4 and then going to click on properties, and there will be a following option called obtain DNS server address automatically, or you can use the following DNS server addresses, because it is all about the manual way. By clicking on this one and you can manually put your DNS server whatever you want. So yeah, this is how you can manually, or this is how you can change DNS server into your Windows 11 and 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.